All right, WMC, here's the video to find the winner of my the Brewers 4-pack Captain America themes chorizo and brawn solo. We will check the time May 6th at 3:17 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. Going to check our time here. We have May 6th at 3:17 p.m. Here's the list of our 28 entrants. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Scott. Spot 20 is your winner. So, Scott, please get with me to collect your set. There are our not set, but 4 bobbles. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, May 6th at 3:17 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.